यार मेरा सुपरस्टार। वेलकम टू यार मेरा सुपरस्टार। यू आर विद मी संगीता एंड आज जो दो लोग मेरे साथ हैं, जब ये दोनों साथ में आते हैं ना तो बादल गरजने लगते हैं, बिजली चमकने लगती है। ऐसा कुछ हमारे सेट पे भी हुआ है एंड व्हाट अमेजिंग इलेक्ट्रीफाइंग केमिस्ट्री इफ आई माय से सो। इट इज ऑफ कोर्स श्रद्धा कपूर एंड आदित्य रॉय कपूर ऑन द शो। वेलकम।
थैंक यू।
तो ऑलमोस्ट यहाँ पे बादल नजर आए कि नहीं आते समय बाहर, बट इट्स एक्चुअली ट्रू व्हेन यू गाइस गेट टुगेदर बारिश हैज टू हैपन।
Yeah, you think so?
Chum chum chum.
Chum chum.
No, actually, but I don't know. It's for other people to say, yeah, whether they feel that it exists or
it's
not.
for other people
है
to
ना?
say.
Other people, is
Yeah.
it? Okay, but we to love it. We love you with the badal, without the
Without the
barish,
badal.
everything.
Thank
How
you,
is it
Vasit.
to
Yeah,
get
that's
together?
really sweet.
Vapas ab.
कैसा रहा? What do you think?
He's like, huh? Okay then.
What?
I think you should answer.
I think you should not think too much. No, it was great. Yeah. We have a great time working together the first time. ये फिल्म actually हमने 40 दिन में complete किया तो it was a really crazy.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, it was really fast.
It's actually like a record in 40 days to finish a film.
Yeah.
I mean, people take long and longer days, of course. But
They
that's
take
also,
2 years.
No, but it's also
Yeah, I've
according to
also
the
taken.
demand of the script and stuff. But it's really something that we finished this film in 40 days, and I think that ये reason है क्योंकि जो film की energy है, I think that was the propelling factor, if you ask me.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
after you shot is okay, they say चलो अभी दूसरा setup चालू है, this that lighting होगा, ये होगा. Normally you have like 20 minutes to sit. By the time you go to your van, you're sitting, the shot ready. You have to sit.
Yeah.
It's like that. That was basically
Yeah.
how we shot this film.
So this was the fastest film both of you have shot.
Fastest film, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing.
40 days is really nothing.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
मतलब अगर
Yeah.
इस रेट पे चलो तो you can do every 1 month में एक movie.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I feel कि ये genre के लिए that's not 40 to 50 days unless you have some great big action sequences and all. I think that's the amount of time you should make a film like this in.
There are cute action sequences. At least bedsheet के अंदर happening in the movie. But coming to cute Janu, we would name it cute
Use
action.
body doubles.
Really? No, that's weird. Body doubles for this action sequence. But okay Janu title, okay? Like the Tamil version was called Kanmani, okay?
Kanmani.
And-
Darling.
Darling. So this is Janu. Do you think अभी भी लोग Janu बुलाते हैं? Have you ever called anybody Janu?
You know,
तो हम वही बोल रहे कि we are bringing Janu back.
Yeah, but I think that they did the marketing and promotion team. They did a kind of
A survey.
video survey, and some people were saying Janu in them.
I think our parents' generation used Janu a lot more than our generation.
Parents generation बोल दिया.
But some
Yeah.
people do actually use that, so it's nice, yeah, and it was nice to see that we've gotten to have like a common term of endearment, name of endearment in our title.
तो लास्ट जानू किसको बुलाया था श्रद्धा ने?
इनको.
हाँ, कल रात को promotions में.
That's it. She अभी we just had a moment. क्या moment and you just killed it. Seriously life में कभी किसी को जानू नहीं बुलाया? जानू.
नहीं, but I think ये film खत्म होने के बाद I feel like the word Janu has grown on me and I think I might use it also in
Yeah?
future. नहीं?
Yeah, I think that we've used it so much in this film.
Overdose
so
हो गया.
much in this film that it'll be nice now to see that people start using it because of our film. So passing the baton on.
So there's a return of a lot of things with this movie. I think we'll come to the other part very soon. But Mr. VJ,
हाँ जी.
trainee VJ करके T-shirt पहना करते थे. If you didn't know this about Aditya, and you were on the other side for the longest time.
I was on your side.
Yeah. So सबसे amazing interview किसका लिया आज तक life में?
सबसे amazing interview किसका लिया आज तक? I think I had a very memorable interview with Diler Mehndi where he got his stage jacket, diamonds and this and that. He got an extra one for me and we both did the bhangra together.
What fun!
Yeah, this is just the top of my head.
He got one for you also.
Yeah.
Did you take it back after that?
Yeah.
श्रद्धा से मिला क्या वो jacket?
Also, once I had to interview Salman Bhai, and it was on my. Bipin, were you only there? Yeah, so Salame Ishq, the producer of this show, Bipin, who
Director, yeah.
was, producing that show as well. Many years ago, we were shooting, I think, in Film City, and we were supposed to roll at 6. Salman Bhai came at 11:30, and all the while we were waiting, people were like scaring me and this and that, like just be careful, he'll hit you and all this and that. If you say like if you say something wrong. And,
No, ऐसे हम
मतलब ऐसे
सबको डरा
देता है.
तो क्या पैकअप के बाद it was my birthday night, so we all set up some food and drinks, and I brought in my birthday with Salman
Salman
Bhai
Khan.
on my 19th birthday.
How
that
nice.
that was memorable.
Was it really your birthday then?
It was.
There's no other story to this?
No, yeah, that was my 19th birthday. I was bringing, 20th birthday.
Asha, it was your birthday.
Yeah, why will I lie? It was my birthday.
Because you had to go out of that shoot early is what we heard.
No, but it was definitely my birthday, Bipin. It was my birthday. It was my
It was
birthday.
then?
Yeah.
Okay, so we will agree that you spent your birthday with Salman Khan on the sets when you were a VJ.
Yeah, with Bipin as well.
And uske baad London Dreams happened with Salman as an actor. How cool is that?
It was cool.
Wow.
Yeah,
Life
yeah.
comes like a full circle.
Yeah, I think it goes a few times.
Another connection between both of you, ये notice किया कि नहीं पता नहीं कि आदित्य ने इंटरव्यू किया था रॉक ऑन के कास्ट को
Yes.
जब वो वीजे थे ठीक है
Yes.
दैट टाइम अभिषेक वाज ऑब्वियसली डायरेक्टिंग इट उसके बाद एक मूवी की कट टू फितूर देन रॉक ऑन 2 इज विद यू सो यू बोथ हैव अ रॉक ऑन 2 एंड रॉक ऑन कनेक्शन
Rock on connection. तो
See?
I interviewed Katrina. तो एक show था
Correct.
Goddess Diaries.
हाँ.
And in fact उसके पहले I did an ad with her where there are 10 guys in a bank or in an office and there's a girl who comes and she's got this lipstick and we're all looking at her. And there I waited for 12 hours. And when Katrina passed, we were like, Katrina's come. We're all peeping from the room. There were 10 guys in one small room waiting like this.
फॉर कैटरीना
Yeah. Then I interviewed her on Channel V and then I worked opposite her. So.
वाओ एंड शी इंट्रोड्यूस्ड यू टू फेसबुक
Yes.
मतलब व्हाई डिड शी हैव टू इंट्रोड्यूस यू इतने टाइम तक वेयर वर यू आदित्य
Yeah, I've never made an account, though, but I felt that finally I think I should. It's a nice way to connect with fans. So.
and I should look here because you are quite a मतलब pro social
Queen.
media पे queen है यार really Shraddha
I'm
Do you
not bad.
you're not bad at all
Not bad, not
so
bad.
do you click a lot of selfies या फिर videos what is your thing to do on social media
I think that I have a soft corner for Instagram.
Instagram.
I would say because I feel like a picture speaks 1,000 words and all of that. And I just feel like it's a fun. You can have fun there. You can post what you're wearing and just have some fun with it. So yeah, I enjoy it. I'm not very good at Twitter. But I'm still on it. But I say something when I feel like it.
but
yeah.
anyway Twitter is छोटा only whenever you just have to write it's just 140
Yeah,
characters that you
that's true.
tweet
Yeah.
okay the craziest thing तुम दोनों ने किया है प्यार में मतलब वो हो सकता है बचपन का प्यार या आगे
Craziest
का।
thing किया है प्यार में. I think that moment for me is yet to come. To do something really
Yeah,
crazy.
such a, even I don't have.
Really
No, honestly,
crazy. Like
I don't have a great answer as well. for
yeah,
this.
like I mean like
come on it's like romantic कुछ romantic चीज किया होगा नहीं
I mean,
surprise
romantic चीजें तो yeah, but like
Here
you're
and
saying crazy and all.
अच्छा तो
like, you know that
romantic if not crazy कोई romantic
Pablo वाला
चीज
type का Titanic types or like Notebook types or that full that moment has to come. Still.
okay even you haven't done anything
I'm not मैं romantic type नहीं हूँ इतना. I don't do the.
you broke so many hearts right now
I'll buy it. I'll do sweet small things every once in a while, but
what is the last sweet small thing जो आदित्य रॉय कपूर ने किया है
Yeah, I don't remember being romantic for a while, so it's been a while that I've found the urge to be romantic.
so indirectly he's saying you're single now for quite some
I've
time
been saying every day in every interview that I'm chilling.
you're chilling
It's a new way of saying.
that's the way
It's the
to
new
say it.
status.
so are you also chilling
I like his status. Chilling.
so both of you are chilling
Chilling.
okay has anybody done anything romantic for you Shraddha
For me.
हाँ तो cutest चीज जो romantic वाली किसी ने किया है तुम्हारे लिए
Yeah, I've had some sweet instances, I would say. I mean, I think that like actually every girl likes getting flowers.
Yeah, agree.
Surprise flowers. So I say that like when that would happen, then that would be nice.
so sweet so we know that how to patao Shraddha Kapoor it's with flowers
Quite a simple.
Okay, so अब जो है ना हम ओके जानू गेम खेलने वाले हैं क्योंकि ओके जानू इज अबाउट रिलेशनशिप्स सो ध्यान से सुनिए मुझे आदित्य इफ यू वर टू चूज बिटवीन फुटबॉल एंड डेट विद गर्लफ्रेंड क्या चूज करोगे
The date watching football with a girlfriend.
व्हाट इफ शी डज नॉट वांट टू वॉच
I
फुटबॉल
think football, yeah.
फुटबॉल
If it's a great game and all that, football.
सॉरी डेट विल यू विल गिव इट अ मिस
Date on another date.
ओके बॉयज नाइट वर्सेस शॉपिंग विद गर्लफ्रेंड
This is a very lovely, easy quiz. Boys night.
गर्लफ्रेंड को मतलब नो भाव ओके गर्लफ्रेंड हैज बैड ओडर व्हाट विल यू डू यू विल टेल हर के बॉस प्रॉब्लम है या फिर ब्रेकअप
Gift her one hamper like that over there.
यू विल टेल
Make
हर
sure Yeah, there's a girlfriend.
There
You can
should
tell
be
her.
that cover,
Yeah,
na?
if she's a girlfriend, and you can
Should do
tell
a
her.
like, what is this?
What is? Yeah.
What is this and all?
If you're a girlfriend, you have the freedom to tell her.
Yeah.
Okay, Shraddha, I turn to you. South Mumbai boy या फिर suburbs का boy?
ऐसे you can't categorize South
they are very
Mumbai
clear,
or
huh?
suburb.
But they're very
I feel no,
No?
because some South Mumbai boys are now they're also very like you know that type and all. I don't know if I.
See, I'm a South Bombay boy, but I'm
the
not
word
like
he's
that.
not like that. See, he's not like all you know.
Yeah.
Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Very, like,
I
you
know, completely.
My shirt and my pants.
But a few, huh? You can't generalize.
Some of them,
Few,
but some of them are
but
there
few.
also in the suburbs who are like that. But some South Mumbai guys now feel like they're not from Mumbai. They're like from America or something. So I don't
America, they're
understand
just-
that.
yeah.
Free,
That I don't
free road का
understand.
accent भी आ जाता
But
है.
no, that I can't generalize. Yeah, someone who is like chilled out.
Okay,
Someone
so you
whirly
want a
boy.
chilled out guy. Delhi
Someone
boy.
in the middle, whirly boy.
Whirly. मेरे को लगा Delhi boy. Whirly boy. Okay. Family dinner versus boyfriend के साथ date.
No, this is tough. Yeah, both. On different days.
Both on different days. Okay.
Yeah.
Best friend needs you.
Huh.
Okay, and your boyfriend has planned some anniversary dinner for you.
If it's an emergency, if my best friend needs me, then I'll request and I'll be like, it's an emergency. I'll see what it is. And I'm sure he would understand that.
So कभी life में ऐसा हुआ है कि best friend has had an issue with the guy you're dating and all of that? That happens in most of our
I mean,
lives.
they do give their point of view.
Huh.
You know, they'll be like, I think, you know, and whatever. Like, that point of view though happens.
I think amongst guys it happens a little less.
है ना? Guys don't discuss this with friends, do you?
Once in a while, but there's a bro code, na.
What is a bro code?
A bro code, yeah, where you don't step on each other's toes, so to speak. And if it does, then it's spoken of clearly and it's done. But once in a while, of course, everyone has problems. But I think girls have more.
But
of
I
this.
think girls also like, they look out for their girlfriend. They're like, you know, so long as she's happy, all that. So they want to make sure that the girlfriend is happy.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Bro code and all. I like it. Okay. Shraddha, you were damn good with this.
Oh.
I'm giving you
How
this.
sweet. Thank you.
And even Aditya.
Because of.
Arey, wow.
You want to give it to
So
your
are you hinting
ex-girlfriend?
at something at us?
This is a
No,
great
no
hamper.
hints.
Okay,
It's just.
And we've got, this thing's got interchanged.
Oh,
Thank
it's
you,
sorry,
Aditya.
sorry.
That's okay.
We'll have to interchange at least. नहीं वो card interchange
Card
कर
you
लो
can
वो
interchange.
easier होगा.
Unless, one sec. Oh,
वो ladies, ये ladies का item है?
हाँ तो ले लो. Sorry. Now we're going to play this thing called क्या बात है. ठीक है? And it's a fun thing. So number 1 in क्या बात है. Ten 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 is this photo. And you guys have to tell me हो क्या रहा है इसमें. क्या बात है इसमें.
oh God, I am laughing and my nostrils have become like full.
Okay, तो ये scene हम Marine Drive चौपाटी पे शूट कर रहे थे. This is the scene where you were a little upset and Shad is explaining to Shraddha.
Oh yeah.
Why
This
was
is
Shraddha
basically-
upset इसमें? But ये हंस रही
But
है.
I'm laughing.
हाँ.
So
हाँ,
he's...
क्योंकि it's not वो intense वाला upset and
No. So we were laughing. Sorry. You wanna?
no.
Oh. So we were laughing. Basically, there's this moment in the film where I'm actually angry.
Huh.
So Shad was telling me how he thinks I should be doing the scene. So the way that he explained it was so funny that I started laughing, and Shad actually cracks up once he sees me laughing. So if I'm laughing, then he'll go ha ha ha. So like he cracks. Have you noticed that? Like when I really laugh,
Yeah.
Straight face, right?
like when I laugh, then Shad really takes off also.
It's true.
And it also looks like my fingers going into your nostril.
This is also the scene where Shad threw his shoe.
He threw shoe.
He threw
He throws shoes during shoot.
Yeah, that's his
तो
charm.
गुस्सा आता है shoe.
It's all in fun.
Okay.
It's all in fun.
कितने
It's
जूते
fun.
फेंके गए?
नहीं एक ही बार हुआ
एक
है.
ही बार.
I think एक फिल्म में एक ही बार होना चाहिए. Where
Thank
you're
God.
throwing your
But
shoes.
luckily हम पे नहीं, but still all in fun. only.
हाँ.
हाँ.
I think he's a
Dude,
he's a
it's all in
showman. He's a
fun.
showman.
Show नहीं shoe man. Okay, the second one is this. The song that I love. This is Hamma Hamma. And इस sequence में ना आदित्य बहुत awkward है इस
तो
गाने में.
basically
क्योंकि it's like that and then he literally puts
क्योंकि
it up.
मैम अपने आप को
I'm like,
control नहीं कर पा रही.
come
so
on.
I'm like, just
And he's like,
relax.
no.
I'm like, wait. It's the other way around normally, ना. तो I think वैभवी मैम को लगा कि we should turn the tables and we should maybe have the girl, do that.
But you were awkward, no, in this scene?
Yeah, of course,
Because immediately, you know, for that 1 second जब आप देखोगे वो गाना, it's like, it's literally like that.
तो वो planned है.
But that was
Planned.
That's exactly what Vaibhavi ma'am wanted.
Yeah.
So she must be very happy, huh? Because we noticed.
Yes.
Superb. And we must also tell you, Shraddha, इसमें जो shorts पहने हैं श्रद्धा कपूर ने, they have been trending fashion में.
Oh, ऐसा?
How cool are these shorts, dude?
All credit goes to Eka, who's
Eka.
done the costume for our film, for both of us.
Yeah, actually
and
वो
she's mind-blowing.
little known fact is आप क्या पहनने वाले थे? You're going to wear
Actually, हम debate कर रहे थे. The first choice was to wear like a ghagra, which is till the knees. You know those छोटा type.
Knee length skirt types.
Correct. So that
with the
was
mirrors and all that.
mirrors and all. And we were actually going with that. Then at night, Shad got an idea and he called up Eka urgently and he said, what do you think? Should we try shorts? And Eka was like, you know what, Shad? I really wanted to try shorts as well. Let's try shorts. So both of them decided that, let's see how the shorts look and stuff. And then I put them on and, when there were fittings and everybody was like, shorts.
Dude, it was amazing decision.
Good
People are now
decision.
hunting for it everywhere.
Oh,
yeah, I hope
how
people can
nice.
get those shorts. But I think she's looking absolutely hot.
I agree.
The hottest she's looked.
Oh yeah?
Arey,
Yeah, I
nice,
think
yeah.
in that,
Great, I
that whole
think.
black, because I've never seen you like that. Like the whole sexy
I think there was
feel.
something raw and nice about it. Yeah.
Like
Thank you
otherwise
so
Shraddha is
much.
like this beautiful, pretty girl. There it was like हवा से मतलब वहाँ पे fumes हो रहे हैं.
Thank you very much. But I have to say that, Shad and Eka and everybody, they were so pumped about the song, and even we were really pumped about it. This is the only song in which we're actually lip syncing and having a kind of a
Conversation kind of song.
like
And dancing with each other.
grooving, dancing. So
It was fun.
Lots of fun.
Okay, this one is, I'm sure, Shraddha, you will remember. तुम यहाँ पे बाइक पे हो. तुम मतलब
stunt sequence.
Yes, this was a stunt
Yeah,
sequence.
like amazing. Dude, लड़के नहीं कर पाते हैं वो. ये मतलब full on form में
बताइए,
तुमने
बताइए,
किया है.
आपके-
See, I'll say something. ये actually मैंने नहीं किया.
हैं? What are you
Actually,
saying?
बताना नहीं चाहिए था ना.
नहीं, she's sweet, yeah. That she's being honest.
No, I said it in another interview. I realized I shouldn't have said
No,
it.
it's fine because come on, yeah, everyone knows that
Yeah. It's a
certain
stunt.
things if an actor can't do, then you have stunt doubles.
No, but I don't think that you couldn't do it. It's just that it was
Wanted to be safe.
No, I think if you had a day to prepare, you would have done it.
Yeah, actually, it was an on-the-spot decision.
Huh.
And exactly, like if you have some rehearsal time and stuff.
And also,
then
I
would
was
have
not a
been able
big
to do
fan
it.
because I had to sit at the back because there was a camera piche and they wanted my one reaction. So I was like,
वो
"No,
reaction
Shraddha,
real
you
होता."
don't do this. We'll."
Get somebody
Get
to do
someone.
it. But you
Yeah.
were on the bike anyway. You were
No,
riding
I know
it.
how to ride a bike.
हाँ, that's
Yeah.
so cool, yaar. I don't know
Yeah.
how to ride a bike.
I learned it
मेरे को बहुत
during
डर लगता है यार.
during Ek Villain. I learned how to
Huh.
ride a bike, and it was amazing.
So how?
So amazing that she
feeling.
fell off it.
That I fell off it also in Ek Villain.
एक villain में यहाँ पे तो you
यहाँ पे
balanced.
I was fine. यहाँ पे it was a छोटा sequence I managed.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Very cool. अब ये, I don't know what Aditya is doing in this, but
What am I doing?
मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
Sure.
But check. क्या हो रहा है इसमें?
Jogging.
Jogging तुम क्यों
No,
कर
no,
रहे
no.
हो?
He's not jogging. It's like an in the moment kind of a.
Again, this was
It's a cute photo, yeah.
This is the shoe throwing sequence.
ध्यान से देखिए इस
हम
फोटो
चौपाटी
को.
पे शूट कर रहे थे. There was a crowd of like 80 people that had gathered. We needed to like get the shot. The sun was going down. There was traffic. There was police, and we were trying to keep the crowd out of frame.
Crowd out of frame.
So it was, needless to say, quite a tension-filled evening.
Yeah.
But we
वो जूता
actors.
किसके ऊपर फेंका? वो मुझे जानना है.
वो गया एयर में हवा में.
Air में, हवा में.
एम किया था शाद ने.
हवा में.
एक है जिसमें
एक है.
हाँ, but
पर वो बच गया. He went like he dodged it.
yeah.
So it was not both of you. तुम दोनों बच गए.
No, no.
हाँ,
Yeah.
तो ठीक है, चलेगा. Okay, this one.
Oh, this one you showed me recently.
tell
Yes,
me.
my okay Janu look. No, this is a holiday I took 7-8 years ago. I went to Hawaii.
So
and
nice.
Wow.
This is in in Hawaii. There's an active volcano, so there's a volcano park, and this is like just one thing. You go down and in the middle, you feel like you're in a crater where there's steam coming out, and I just
तुम अकेले गए थे इस ट्रिप पे?
for 60
Wow.
days.
So I need to even look at you. You love these trips जहाँ पे तुम भी backpacking करके चली जाती हो.
That is what I would like to do, लेकिन
हाँ.
I have not been able to do it.
कभी नहीं लाइफ में
मैं
किया है.
actually अभी जाने वाली थी,
हाँ.
but I had to cancel because I got very sick. मेरी तबीयत खराब हो गई, so the doctor said कि sorry, you have to stay at home.
So you've never been on a trip?
No,
huh, ऐसे?
I've actually never traveled alone like him. He actually does that, which is amazing. He'll just decide कि मैं backpack suitcase लेके जाऊँगा, and it's great. And I think even I want to do that, and I think it's very important for people to experience that. Have you ever done it?
No, I haven't.
I really want.
Not that everyone does it.
I think
I would love to.
I think
I
like,
watch movies alone. So I think for me that itself is an adventure क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग ये भी नहीं कर सकते.
But
Theatre में
apparently-
I'm on the
अकेले
adventure
जाओ.
of living alone. So I eat alone, I sleep alone, everything is alone when you live alone. So
This is not a very cool thing.
But apparently, traveling alone gives you a lot of insight into yourself and
Introspection
all of that.
कर सकते हो
Correct.
तुम बहुत ज़्यादा.
Correct.
Okay, this one is very cute यार. Candid. ये कब हुआ?
ये हुआ when we were shooting some montages
Song sequence.
for our film, and basically he must have said something very nonsensical and funny, and I've cracked up.
So it's basically just trying to shoot moments of us and a montage kind of song. Just so they put us in
ये
a.
कौन सा गाना था?
ये गाना है एन्ना सोना.
Enna
एन्ना
Sona.
सोना
एन्ना
था.
सोना. तो हम बात में बैठे, we're not. I think we're having a glass of wine and chilling and
Chilling.
having.
Guys, do you also spend a lot of time bathtub पे? हम लोग बहुत excited हो जाते हैं ना कि bathtub है, just relax.
Bubble bath.
No, I
Bubble
don't have
bath.
a bathtub at home.
Even I don't have a bathtub.
But whenever we go like promotions and all, and if little time you get, then
You go, huh?
I like go.
This we didn't
You have
know.
the hamper now
What you
to go
must
and-
make chill in the bathtub.
Just chill, talk on the phone.
I can't sit in the
Bathtub.
bathtub. Yeah, bathtub.
It's fun, and I mean it's relaxing. Not fun is the wrong word. It's relaxing.
I get
You don't
impatient. In the bathtub now, what? Now you're there.
Now you don't have to sit like that in
Yeah,
it, like your partner.
Like no.
Trust me, you can do a lot in a bathtub.
Yeah.
But we will come to that later. Now, there you go.
Thank you so much. Oh, I sense it's a handbag.
बात है यार,
Yes,
guys.
it is.
How sweet.
Thank you. You guys are being very sweet to
तो
us.
इस ब्रांड
guys
को
are
हम
very
प्रमोट
sweet
करना
and we
चाहते
have-
हैं कि नहीं प्रमोट
we
करना
have-
चाहते हैं?
जैसे भी you can.
We have started the note with interviews with gifts, so everybody else, next in line, be ready with your
Some
gifts.
gifts, हाँ.
You'll
For
flex
us.
the bar high, zoom.
Yes.
Yay! Okay. So now we have another segment which is called Sangeeta Wants to Know.
Okay.
I'm extremely curious. Life में already पता होगा दोनों को by now. So अब बहुत सारे सवाल है जो पूछने वाली हूँ, okay? Starting with Aditya.
Okay.
Roy, ये middle name कैसे आया? इसके
मुझे
पीछे story
एक्चुअली
है?
इसके पीछे वाला स्टोरी आई डोंट नो. माय नाना, माय दादाजी एंड दादी जी वो फ्रॉम लाहौर, अमृतसर. माय डैड्स फैमिली हैड अ शॉप, अ कटिंग टेलर शॉप एट दैट टाइम. आई थिंक इट वाज कॉल्ड राय. इट वाज राय कपूर, तो उसको रॉय बना दिया बिकॉज द ब्रिटिश कुडंट से राय. दिस इज आई थिंक द स्टोरी. I
is
should
what
know.
even I know.
I should know the story.
So it's time to go back and make some calls.
I'll call my mom as soon as I'm out of here.
See, did you know this?
No.
Yeah. See, those are
So
the
it was
questions
called
we
Roy
ask.
Brothers Cheap John. The shop.
Roy Brothers,
Cheap John.
Cheap John. Wow, this is interesting. Okay, so Aditya loves going fishing, I heard.
I do. Sometimes I go with my dad to Powai Lake and I fish.
पवाई लेक में फिशिंग कर सकते हैं
हाँ,
क्या?
इतने बड़ी-बड़ी
How nice.
fish मिलते हैं. You get crocodiles also over there. It's like,
हाँ?
yeah.
कभी ऐसे हुआ है कार्टून में होता है ना कि you put in suddenly crocodile.
No, but I don't hang my feet outside the boat.
Yeah, so
that's not a good
really
idea.
crocodile is there.
Such me, I swear.
That's so amazing.
I
But
haven't
we've never
gone
done
for a-
fishing. I've never done
I haven't
fishing
gone for a while, but a couple of years, but I used to go.
So cool. Okay, so guitar, you strum the guitar and all of that. So कभी किसी के लिए गाना strum करके send किया है life में?
Send? नहीं. But in person, it's very.
कौन सा गाना?
I write songs, so I sing my own songs. Sometimes I sing. बहुत सारे गाने हैं.
You know, Monica Dogra said this, no? That I think it's high time Aditya Roy Kapoor जो है अपना खुद का album launch करे. तो
अच्छा.
वो कब हो रहा है? Life में होने वाला है कभी?
Actually, मैं plan कर रहा हूँ कि ये साल मुझे कुछ करना है यार. I want to record some of these songs. So yes, this year I will.
Shraddha, were you ever on each other's speed dials?
Yes. I mean,
Number one,
he
number
was
two.
on. He is on mine.
Speed dial.
Yeah.
So you guys call each other 4 a.m. friends?
Yeah, I have.
We
called.
can call each other whenever we want.
Whenever,
Let's say
whenever.
that. Keep it like that.
So whatever, anytime friend.
Yeah.
Okay. Also, you guys have been very close over the, your journey, the first hit film साथ में रहा है. तो अभी भी कोई तुम दोनों possessive हो, एक दूसरे के बारे में protective हो, ऐसा कभी हुआ है?
I think किसी भी दोस्त के साथ को लेके आप
Yeah.
protective हो जाते हो.
Yeah.
So I think because we are so fond of each other and
Yeah.
such kind of close friends,
Yeah.
so it's natural. Yeah.
It's normal.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Shraddha, अगर backpacking करना हो, कौन से जगह पे जाओगी?
I would say within India, but I don't know if that'll be possible now.
She'll have to find a full get up and change her look. No?
हाँ यार, seriously क्या?
नहीं, वो possible
Glaze,
तो-
cap, scarf.
But I think that's not possible.
Possible, but it's a lot of work.
India यार वो north में
हाँ,
जाके
मजा आता है यार.
Shoot करने जाते हैं ना, we get to watch, we get to see things, we get to sightsee, we
but
get
like
to
you know
eat.
that full backpacking and all that.
वो मजा नहीं आएगा. शूट पे तो काम होता है. Okay, how many times has Shraddha Kapoor watched अंदाज़ अपना अपना?
Many
ये बता दो.
times. I can't remember the number,
हाँ.
but it's my most watched film.
तो कौन सा सीन अच्छा लगता है श्रद्धा को? Come on, enact it for us.
Yeah.
No,
Come
I'm not
on,
gonna
yaar.
enact it.
Come on,
I can't
yaar.
Just give
enact
one
it
dialogue.
because
Come on,
I
come on.
cannot
Both
enact
of
it.
you. अंदाज़
No
अपना अपना
chance,
mood.
no chance. But I really like that last fight also between my dad and
Dintili.
that full they do that dish and dish. That I love, and I love my dad's entries into the frame. Whenever वो enter करते हैं,
Yeah, you always end up.
he would enter and his cape would go on top of his head. So he'd come, yeah, and the cape would just go, and then he like has to put himself together before getting all like threatening and all. So that would be really funny, I thought. That was really funny, and I thought their chemistry was really great. What do you call it? Amir and Salman's.
Right.
And everything about the movie is too good.
Okay, I'm going to do one quiz, one question about अंदाज़ अपना अपना. Crime Master Gogo किसका भतीजा था?
Mogambo.
वाह, वाह. Shraddha Kapoor had to get it. Tell me, Aditya, you didn't know.
I didn't know.
Okay. There's one more thing about Aditya. We figured later कि आदित्य ने हिंदी properly, हिंदी बोलना तुमने बहुत late सीखा.
अभी तक नहीं सीखा.
नहीं सीखा है.
No, only when I get my dialogues, I learn them and then it sounds okay.
तो conversation हिंदी में नहीं
ठीक ठाक,
करते.
नहीं, I get by.
अच्छा. तो do you like read any हिंदी वाला paper and all that कि ठीक है. Anyway dialogue जब आता है तो ठीक है. First हिंदी film जो आदित्य ने देखी है.
Oh. The earliest Hindi film I remember in the theatre I've seen was Saudagar. I saw.
इल्लू.
Yeah. Can you hear Bipin laughing? Saudagar. With my brothers I went and saw.
You saw Saudagar.
I swear that's
Which was the
my
first
first
film you saw in the
memory.
theatre, Shraddha?
First one I saw in a theatre. I can't remember, yaar. But I think the first theatre I think I remember which
Huh.
theatre I went to. Chandan, I think.
हाँ, Juhu.
Chandan.
So that was it.
Yeah, I went to Chandan.
Superb. So for all those people who are waiting for OK Janu, बताओ why OK Janu is going to be different from all the other rom-coms जो हमने देखा है, हमने देखा है.
Well, I think what's different about OK Janu is कि एक तो it's about two people who are, I think what is, of course, there's a lot of talk about how it's about live-in relationships and all
Right.
that. But I feel why it's very interesting is the conversations, जो conversations आदि और तारा के बीच में होते हैं, वो बहुत interesting है. तो I think that is a nice.
Yeah, हम जिस
one of the
तरीके से
nice
हमने
things
इस
about the film.
relationship को दिखाया है काफी realistic
It's
है.
very realistic.
And it's entertaining also. And yeah, it's not only about live-in relationships. They just so happen to be in a live-in relationship. They get into it and we're not making a big deal about it. So yeah, and you have of course Nasiruddin Shah and
Yes,
Leela ma'am
amazing,
and
yeah.
the music, and in fact we've seen the film. So we think people should watch it.
Yeah.
He's so cute. Yes, we will definitely
No, we're
watch
happy.
it.
We're happy. Yeah.
We're also very happy कि आज show पे Aditya Roy Kapoor and Shraddha were there. And before we say bye
One
to
more
you,
gift?
What?
Yeah, Christmas and New Year's not over yet.
Something they're expecting from us.
मतलब ये तो क्या बात है यार?
क्या बात है हमारे
That's
segment का नाम
really,
है.
really sweet of you.
But
How
thank you
sweet.
Really
so much,
I'm
guys.
checking out already. That's mine actually.
Again, वापस interview हो गया. No.
Something pink.
Very pink even guys can have, है ना? Chalo, thank you so
Thank
much. I hope you had fun, and
Yes.
I hope OK Janu does really well at the box office. Lots
Thank
of
you.
love to both of you. And ये था आज का episode of Yaar Mera Superstar. Of course, another episode coming up next Saturday. Till then, stay tuned to Zoom. turn on.